Hi and welcome to our Linux commands tutorial. In this video, we'll talk about process management commands. Process management commands refers to a set of commands in an operating system that allows users to interact with and control the processes running on the system. These commands provide a means to monitor, manipulate, and manage various aspects of processes, contributing to the efficient operation of the computer. Here are some commonly used process management commands in Linux. 1. PS, to display the currently working processes. 2. Top, display all running process. 3. Kill PID, kill the process with the given PID. 4. Kill all proc, kill all the processes named proc. 5. Kill pattern, will kill all processes matching the pattern. 6. BG, list stopped or background jobs, resume a stopped job in the background. 7. FG, brings the most recent job to the foreground.